Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Buy ZILLIQA at this price and be a millionaire. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and you will get easy profits. We are working through Telegram, so do not worry about anything. Once you join, you will get the best out of the markets. Let's go right now to see what ZILLIQA is going to do in the short term, the real bottom of this bearish cycle, and the next targets. So ZIL right here, you can see that it is struggling so much. And it is struggling to even go above the 50-day MA and the 20-day exponential moving average over the last few days. It is going lower and lower. Once it achieved this top right here, it has been going with a lower low, lower high pattern. Some of you that shorted out right here should be millionaires by now, okay, especially if you kept your short positions. However, right now, ZILLIQA is going to go even further down. Maybe a possible buying opportunity would be around at the point to 1024.03. Okay, this target right here, we are going to have at least one pump right here at the point 1024. Okay, so eventually maybe we get a nice pump of around plus 20%, plus 25. We are going to see that though for the time being. In the next days we are going to come further down, so be prepared for another correction for ZILLIQA, and I do not think that you should be longing right now. I think that you should be shorting all the way out. Now in the lower time frames we are approaching an oversold situation. That means we might make a little bit of a nice buying pressure right here, although this won't be something much. I think that we are going to stay beyond the 200 moving average, which is now at the point 1031.33. so even if we pump, we are going to stay beyond this line right here, so we can make a light pump, okay, of around plus 8, plus 9%, and so on. So right here for ZIL, we are going to correct even more, making lower lows, lower highs. Okay, eventually these pumps are insignificant. I do not care about these pumps. I care about major uptrends and downtrends, and you should care about them as well. If you do not, then it is fine. You can choose your own path, right? So eventually the point 1024 will play as a support and will serve as a support level for the short term. That means we can go from here back up to point 1029 and so on. But now this is the major question right there that you want me to tell you. Where's the bottom for ZILLIQA? Can you be a millionaire? Of course you can if you buy ZILLIQA around beyond the point 1014, okay, beyond the 1014, around this area right here. In this line and beyond, we should be having our first buying entry, our first DCA. Okay, the worst thing that ZILLIQA can do is to go down to the point 2 O's, actually 62.6, and a little bit further down. So around here it should be an insta buy. Okay, insta buy if we go all the way down. This is the worst thing that ZILLIQA can do. Okay, going a little bit further down from this point, having a wick, for example, down from this level. Around here, for example, this is an insta buy area. Okay, an insta investing area, an insta investing opportunity, such as it was with Maker. Now let's see what ZILLIQA can do and how you need to DCA it. First of all, you need to DCA ZIL at the point 1007. Okay, this is your first target along with the point 1014, but do not buy so much. Okay, buy some amount right there, and the most amount you should be buying under the point 1010. Okay, around this area you should be investing in ZILLIQA. Nothing of these are financial advice, it's just my personal humble opinion, of course, and we should be investing all together around here so that ZILLIQA can start the next bull run. And of course we are going to see right now, after the bottoms that we said, after what you need to do, how you need to DCA it, and what is the best possible support level. We will need right now to see the major targets, and here we go with the major targets, starting the Fibonacci retracement from 2 points. First of all, the top will be the same and the bottom should be, let's assume that ZILLIQA finds the bottom at the point 1010, which is around here. Okay, there we go. So let's assume that we find it right there, and ZILLIQA in the next bull run can go up all the way to the point 87. Okay, I think that the point 87 is a safe approach for ZILLIQA, and maybe a little bit further down to the point 10 sorry, 0.55399, which is around 5,378. Now this is a 54x, this is a 90x. That means if you had 1,000 USDT in ZILLIQA, you could make 90,000. If you have 1,000 USDT and we approach the 0.55, you could make 54,000 USDT. Insane, right? Yeah, I know it is insane. Yeah, that's how you would make it right now with ZIL. At the end of the day though, what you need to do right now, it is to be, of course, a lot careful, because we will be undergoing more correction. But let's assume that the target would be down to the 0.106 or 206, okay, around there. Then this should bring the ZILLIQA into higher targets. For example, the first target for ZIL should be at the 0.62611. Okay, this is insane. It is a 9,000%, okay, to almost 10,000%, 101x. That means if you had 1,000 USDT buying here, you could make 100,000 USDT. If you had 10, okay, you know where this goes. You would be a millionaire. And of course, right here, we can go even higher. This is the first target. We could be going, for example, to 1 USDT, that many people expect ZILLIQA to go to 1 USDT. Okay, as you can see, it is not as easy as to go towards the 1 USDT right here. Many people were talking about ZILLIQA going to 5 USDT, to 4 USDT, and it stops at the 0.25. Okay, disappointing everyone, but the market told us that we need to go out and exit because we had multiple bearish RSI divergences. Look at that right here, multiple bearish RSI divergences, and here as well, going in and crashing. The market warns you, if you do not exit, then it is your fault, not the market's fault. Always remember that, okay? So right here, ZILLIQA is going to go further down. The bottoms, the possible bottoms, we talked about it. This is the worst possible scenario that ZILLIQA can have, below the 0.206, and the targets, the minimum targets of around 0.162. And then we can go to 0.60, and then we can go even higher, depending on how strong ZILLIQA will be in the next bull run, and the project behind, the team behind, how much they will invest on ZILLIQA. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.